Turn on the power first. This equipment is mainly used to complete the power test and uninterruptible power supply training. Turn on the main switch. Release the emergency stop. Turn the key switch. The system indicator lights up. The power indicator lights up and the power output. This area is DC output area. Turn on the switch to output 24-volt DC power. This is area of three-phase multifunction instruments. The switch controls the power and off the three-phase instruments. This is PLC area, controls the power and off of the PLC. Here is a PM3255 watt-hour meter. This area is current transformer area, where P1 and P2 are the main power incoming lines. This area is a self-reset button. Two circuit breakers are provided in this area. Here is the AC contactor. This area is the power control of the UPS. This circuit breaker provides the power supply of the UPS power supply. The circuit breaker controls the output of the UPS power supply. You need to wire the power supply and output by yourself. Press the emergency stop to cut off the power output. Next, connect the control circuit of the dual power supply. Connect the voltage and the current signal to the three-phase multifunction instruments. Three-phase four-wire system connections without voltage and current transformers. The maximum input voltage of a three-phase multifunction instrument is 600 volt, and the maximum input current is 5 A, which cannot exceed the limit value. Take a three-phase asynchronous motor as a load, which is provided by the customer. The three-phase multifunction instrument is 220 volt, which simulates the dual power control of the single-phase electricity. Connects the L3 of the three-phase electricity to the circuit breaker. Connect the UPS power to the circuit breaker on the right. This area supplies power to the UPS. After the main line is connected, connect the control line. PLC is NPN type and the common terminal is 0 volt. X0 is start, X1 is stop. The public terminal is connected to 0 volt and the X2 is the feedback of UPS power supplied. X3 is the feedback of a test power supplied. The output is relay type. COM is a common end. Y0 is a contactor that controls the power failure. COM1 is a common end of Y1, can also a relay type. Y1 is an AC contactor that controls the UPS power supplied, and then the common end is connect 0 volt. Then use a normally open contact to connect the third power supply and control the two contactors to pull on and off. Then connect the neutral wires to two coils to the neutral wire and the power supply system. Supply AC 220 volt power to the PLC. Connect the wiring of the PLC and meter 485. Connect A to A and B to B. Use the PLC download cable to connect the computer's USB interface to the PLC's COM1 port. Power on the system. Turn on the rotator switch and power on the PLC. Open the program on the desktop. After configuring the communication port, first right-click my computer. Click Manage and look at the device Manage. There is a COM6 port. Select COM6 and the interface shows that the connection is successful, and then click OK. Click to download the program. After the download is successful, click to run the PLC. This program is used to perform 485 communication and data reading every 100 milliseconds. The program segment is mainly used to switch in logic control and do power supplies. Next, simulate press to start dual power control. Under normal circumstances, if L3 has powered, the relay will light up, and the first contactor will be closed, which means normal. If the power is simulated, unplug L3 and the relay will be automatically switched to the second one. At the same time, the second contactor is connected to the UPS power is connected to the supplied power. If L3 is powered on again, it will automatically switch back to the original state. Turn on the UPS power supply. The light is on at this time. It means the UPS is charging. Press on start and the green light is on, which means the UPS is outputting. You can measure the output voltage of the UPS power supply, 235 volts. Don't press and to turn off, and there is almost no voltage in the measurement.